Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your weekend love bite. Libra, this is for the weekend of the 16th of October, 16th, 17th, 18th. Just a general check, energy check to see how you guys are doing. And these are general collective readings, Libra, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Libra, before we start your reading, let's take an angel blessing card for you and see how the angels are going to bless you for this weekend. So my angels, a blessing or an advice card for Libra, please. A blessing or an advice card for Libra. Don't compromise. So what are you compromising on, Libra, which my angels are trying to tell you not to compromise on? Are you putting something on the back burner, not giving it too much attention? So I think my angels are saying that don't compromise. You have to balance your life out in a Libra style, right? Librans have the scale. So make sure you're not compromising on any one part of your life. So let's start your reading and see why this card is out here for you. Let me turn it towards you. Okay. So let's, I could be speaking to your cross watcher too, Libra, so just be aware. Could be connected, the energies. So welcome back, my subscribers. Thank you so much for all your love and affection. I'm very grateful for your support to the channel. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. We meet here weekly, monthly, weekends. If you enjoy these readings, do subscribe to the channel and become part of us. So let's see. Oh my God, Libra. Stress and tension still? What are you stressed about? Or is this your cross watcher who's stressed out? Let's begin and see what's going on. So Libra, the first card I have for you is your card, Justice. Now this is going to be a strong reading, Libra. I mean, you're popping out with your first card. Let's see, second one, the Tower and the Hierophant. Okay. The Fool, Six of Wands and the Sun, such beautiful cards. So Libra, I think something blew up in your life, right? And you're wanting to bring justice to it. Maybe it's a matter of commitment, but it's upright, so I don't see anything wrong with that. You're making a decision after I think something blew up in the commitment department. Let's see. Justice Spirit, what is this decision being made by Libra? I think something happened, Libra, which turned into a conflict here regarding a commitment here. Maybe there was a conflict which you felt you had to make a decision for, and this tower which happened after this fight was the tower, I think, and it kind of blew up any chances of this happily ever after. The Four of Wands is a card of union. It's a card of the happily ever after. It's a card of coming together, and this kind of, oh my God, yes, some decision was made here. The fight happened, the tower blew up, and you lost, I think, your love and your stability in 1 second. 1 minute things were fine, and the second, the tower blew up because of this fight, because of a decision made by maybe you, Libra, because you're showing up here, and things have really kind of blown out of proportion here. So this could have been relating a commitment. So Spirit, what is this commitment card for Libra? What's this commitment card for Libra? I think the thought of commitment, Libra, became a little overburdening for you, and maybe there was a fight regarding that. You didn't take control of this situation. Maybe you were too weak to make a decision, even though at that point, I mean, you did know that this was your wish fulfillment, but the lack of making a decision, I think, maybe you were trying to control the situation. Yes, somebody was trying to control the situation of a commitment, even though you knew that this was your happily ever after, this was your star, this was your dream come true, and now after this tower has blown apart, things have really messed up with this soulmate union. Now you're wrapped up in the past, thinking about it, the memories created are not that great, right? So this is the background story. So don't worry, your weekend cards are still here with me. But I do see somebody wanting to take a fresh leap of faith now. They're wanting to start anew, start again. I think there's been a lot of sadness after this tower blew up, feeling of rejection, feeling of yeah, somebody here is wanting to make a choice now after being in depression and sadness for a very long time to kind of start something new. So what is this decision being made, Spirit? What is this decision being made? What is this decision being made to get over the stress and tension? I think after this tower blew up, Libra, and this fight happened, there's been so much of stress and tension because I think one person kind of snuck away from the relationship or lost, maybe escaped, lost, cheated the soulmate connection, and there's been in a lot of stress till now. So I think this weekend actively somebody is making a decision to get over all the stress and tension and get over it now and make a decision and maybe take a leap of faith to get victory again. So what's this victory, Spirit? Okay, so what's this victory? What's this victory that they want? They want to put things right, I think, in full Libra style, bring justice to something. If things have not been invested upon in the past, if things have not been equal, there's been no equal give and take, if there's been any mischief created in this situation, if there is no clarity in this situation, maybe there was ego and pride which came in as well. So, but now I do see the Six of Wands and the Sun energy moving towards your happiness after justice has not been done. So now I think somebody is picking themselves up to make a decision to bring back justice in a situation which I think they didn't work upon in the past. But now there's a big restless energy to come out of the zone, to come out of depression, to come out of sadness, to come out of stress. They have now, I think, been in hermit mode or in reflection mode for a very long time, and they've realized what brought about this imbalance. Now there is a feeling inside to turn this around, to bring back balance, to have a fresh new beginning so that the sun can shine again, right? So let's see what this new beginning is and why is the sun card here. Spirit, what is this Ace of Pentacles and the Sun card? Somebody here wants to take action now. They want to start something new. They want to bring happiness back in their life. And they want to be over all this delay that has happened in this relationship. Also, I think Libra, with this division that has happened between two soulmates, this King of Wands wants to take action because they don't like to see the other person too single and too available. Also, that could be a fact as well, because they realize that this is my person and I want to have something new. But I think this king rejected this offer in the past and created this delay, and now they want to come out of this isolation, feeling left out in the cold, feeling abandoned, and make some decisions for something new. So let's see now what's happening on the weekend. Nine of Pentacles, Page of Wands, and the King of Wands again. Oh my God, so this is the same single person and here's the same King of Wands, right? And somebody is now keen to send a message or bring a message or receive a message between these two after they've broken up. Beautiful cards. Let's see if people are going to manage here. So who's this Nine of Pentacles, Spirit? Who's this Nine of Pentacles? Nine of Pentacles for Libra. I think this King of Wands wants to come towards the Nine of Pentacles person, the single beautiful person, and have a straight conversation to kind of mend what has been broken between the two of you, right? So this could be you, Libra, as this person, the Nine of Pentacles person. So then if your counterpart is wanting to come towards you and have a clear communication to heal some things between the two of you, which I think blew up in the past. And if this is not you, then you could be this King of Wands who's very passionate and wants to now take action to come towards this uh, person to have this communication. So Nine of Wands, Spirit, Nine of Wands, Nine of Wands. Yeah, they want to talk about why the stagnancy has now happened in your relationship, and wants to now, if you both have been holding back, or whoever's coming towards, I think both of you have been holding back, and that's the reason the stagnancy has happened. And with this small message, I think when somebody here wants to break this, release this stagnant energy which has now happened between the two of you. So, King of Wands, Spirit. Yeah, I think they want to talk about how, why this happened, why somebody had to escape, or why they left the situation, and how it's hurt them in return, it's backfired to them because they've missed their empress. Right, they want their empress back, and even though I think the King of Wands, I think, is the one who snuck away or cheated or lied, but now they want to come and talk about how this has kind of backfired on them because they lost out on growing with this beautiful empress and this Queen of Pentacles. So one more card, Spirit, for the, yeah, they want to come, and they don't want to now keep any secrets, and they want to talk about everything that happened, and they don't want any illusions in this relationship. I think this relationship blew up with the Tower once, and now this king is deciding that I don't want to compromise on my life and live without my empress, and they are heading towards, or at least want to. So, Spirit, will they be able? Will they actually? Will one of them actually come towards the other with a message this weekend, or is this just what they're thinking right now? Because from my past Libra readings, I've been noticing Libra just thinking about it, not really taking action. So Libra, sorry, Spirit, will Libra be actually receive or send a message this weekend? One more. Will a message actually go through this weekend? They are kind of thinking about it. They are, dropping this resistance this weekend. They're still feeling a little powerless to take action because I think there is a bit of a fear that this feminine energy is still upset and angry with them. So it's going to take a whole lot of effort for this masculine to reach out, and if they do, I'm not really sure of how this feminine is going to react. Let's take one more card. Spirit, one more card. Oh, I mean, I think this weekend there's planning going on. At least, Libra has now woken up to the fact that they need to take action. Whether they can actually move towards this feminine, I'm not very sure. Or feminine, if you are the Libra, then your masculine is now awoke. He's woken up, basically. He's woken up to the fact that he doesn't want to compromise in his life anymore. He wants to come towards you with a message. Right now, he may not be taking action. I'm not sure whether he can come towards you, but he is in now. He's woken up. That's all I can say. So yes, that's all I have for you for the weekend. All I can promise you is that they are now coming out of this overthinking, which is a good first step, I would say. So that's all I have, Libra. Take care, love and light. Namaste. See you next. I think by the next love reading, things will get juicier. Till then, namaste.